Hello friends, in today's topic we will discuss about PLSQL loops. So in general, loops are used to repeat the execution of one or more statements for a specific number of times, and loops are also called as iterative control statements. The general rule for loop is we need to initialize the variable before the loop statement, and inside the loop statement we need to increment the value. So this is the basic rule for any loop. In PLSQL we have three types of loops. The first one is basic loop, and the second one is while loop, and the third one is for loop and reverse for loop. So these are the syntaxes for each loop. And for simple loop, we need the keyword loop and the statements to be printed or executed inside the loop. And for ending the loop, we need end keyword, end and loop. Now let's see how the basic loops works in PLSQL. So this is a program which demonstrates the basic loop. So in this program, just we are printing the number from 1 to 5 in a repetitive or an iterative order. So in line number 2, we are declaring the variable num as 1, and then we are beginning. So the actual code comes in. In line number 5, we have the keyword loop. So this is very important. So we need the keyword loop for loop statements. And in line number 6, we are printing the value. So when we print the value first time, it will be 1. And in line number 7, we are incrementing. Num is 1 and 1 plus 1, it will be 2. And in line number 8, we're checking the condition. If the number is greater than 5, we're exiting the loop and it comes out of the loop statement. So in this condition, 2 is not greater than 5. So again, it will go to the loop statement, line number 5. And again, second time when it prints, it will be 2. And again, 2 plus, so the value is 2. And again, we are adding plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So again, 3 is not greater than 5. So it will not go to the if condition. So it will keep on repeating until a specific condition becomes true. So this is the general rule for loop. So the loop will keep on continuing until a specific condition satisfies. So in this case, the number should be greater than 5. So when it comes to this if condition, then it will come out of the loop. See, as we kept the condition greater than 5, right? So it will print till 5. So the loop will execute 5 times. If we keep 10, whatever number we keep, right, until the condition gets satisfied, it will keep on repeating. So basic loop is completed. Now the next one we will see about the for loop. The syntax is almost same. So we need to declare. So in declare statement, we are declaring a variable as run, and we have a number. We are initializing it as 1. And so this is the keyword for while loop. So we need while and variable we are keeping the condition for the while loop. Until this gets satisfied, the while loop will be executing. So while the variable, if it is not equal to stop. So initially we are initializing the value as a run, and in line number 6 for the while loop, we are keeping it as true, stop. If the number is greater than 5, so the first time when it runs, if the number 1 is greater than 5, then it will assign the value as stop. In line number 11, we are printing the number. So when the number is equal to or greater than 5, it will assign the value stop. Then this variable, this condition becomes true. Till that, it will be executing. So I'll just repeat again. The line number 6, we have variable value as run, but now it is stop. So if it is not equal to stop, it will be keep on running. In line number 6, we are checking if 1 is greater than 5, so which means it is false. So it will not come to this if condition. It will print the value. Second, in line number 2, we are incrementing the value. So in the actual conditions, when the incremented value becomes less than or equal to 5, this will become run. So this value, we are assigning it as run, right? So then it will come out of the loop. So this is the basic syntax of while loop. And the last one is for loop. This is very straightforward. We need a begin and end block. So it's a for loop. So we need a counter variable. Anything we can keep, you can keep it as counter 1 or some variable. Here you need to mention like the number, like how many times it should print. So for and the loop. So inside the loop, we need to keep the statement which will get executed. In this example, we are printing the actual value itself, like we counter. So this it's executed like 5 times. If we increment the value as 10, it'll this DBMS output put line will print 10 times. So this is the for loop, and the other one is reverse for loop. For reverse for loop, just we need to keep the number reverse. The keyword is reverse. So in this one, it will print the number in reverse order, like 5, 4, 3. So this is syntax for reverse loop. Thank you, friends.